Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to see traveler's review in the Airbnb application on Android device. Okay, traveler's review provide a valuable insight into the credibility of a listing. So by reading a reviews from previous guests, you can gauge the overall satisfaction level and trustworthiness of the house and property. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open the Airbnb application on your device. Okay, next you can select the place or the listing you want to see its review. So after that, look for reviews here and tap on it. Okay, so now you can read all of the traveler's review about this place. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to see the traveler's review in the Airbnb application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.